everyone. I hope you are well. Today we're going to have an online lesson and I hope it will be helpful for you. Let's start. Okay, here we have this question. What's going on? Do you know the meaning of this? I will give you 15 seconds to think about the meaning of this question. What's going on? What is the idea of this? Let's think. Okay, when we ask this question, we really want to ask about the activities at the moment of speaking. So with this idea, we can ask this in different situations. A similar question would be, what's happening? But let's use this, what's going on? So please help me. What's going on in each picture? What's going on here? And what's going on in this picture? What about this? What's going on in this picture? And what's going on here in this picture? Okay, I will show you now some ideas about what's going on. For example, in the first picture, we can see this. He is working at home and he's taking care of his daughter. About the second picture, she is studying online. She's learning a new language. Look at the third picture at the bottom. Well, she's not working, right? She's watching a movie. And finally, they are spending time together. So, do you see something here? Do you see some patterns that are repeating in each question? Let's analyze them. So, what structure is repeating in each sentence? Okay, yes, we have the verb to be, right? He is, she is, they are. And also here we have the action verbs. But look at the ending. All of them have the ing ending. Is that correct? Okay, great. What is the name of this structure? Do you know that? Okay, that's one question. And the second question would be, what's the purpose of these sentences? To express routine? I don't think so, right? To express general facts? No, really. To express events around the moment of speaking? Oh, that's right. That's correct, right? So let's go back to the first question. Do you know the name of the structure of this form in this case? Well, that's called the present continuous tense. Now, for example, here we have a picture of a lady. We can ask, what's going on? What's happening? What is she doing? And what's happening? What's she doing? Okay, well, she is studying at home, and she's studying at home in this moment, right now. So we use this structure to talk about activities that are in progress at the moment of speaking. This is the structure of the present continuous tense. The verb to be that you know in the present, am, is, or are. Your verb, in this case, the verb is to study, but it ends in ing. And we can use this in positive sentences, in negative sentences, and in questions. Let's look at the structure a bit. For example, here we have the positive sentence. She is studying at home in this moment, right now. So for the positive sentences, as I explained before, we use the verb to be, am, is, or are. In this case, it's she. So what do we use? That's right, we use is. The verb, study, plus ing. So she is studying at home. Okay, but also we can use the negative. How can we use the negative in this case? What is the negative of she's studying at home? Do you know that? Okay, so in this case, for example, we just added the word not. She's not playing video games. So for the negatives, we just use the verb to be in the present, am, is, or are, and the word not plus the verb in ing. But here we can use contractions. Do you remember the contraction of is not? Yes, that's right, it's isn't. And the contraction of are not? That's right, aren't. In the case of I'm not, we don't have a contraction, so we can say I'm not. I'm not playing video games. Okay, and what about the question? What happens when I want to, instead of saying a sentence, a positive or negative, I want to ask about that action? Do I say, she's studying at home? Kind of, right? Well, it's not difficult, really. We just have to reorder the words to ask questions in the present continuous tense. Remember, for actions happening in this moment. So instead of she is studying at home, we just say, is she studying at home? We just place the verb to be at the beginning of the sentence. So look at the structure. Is the verb to be, am, is, or are, the present simple, the subject, in this case she, the verb, and we add ing. We can also use question words here. For example, I can ask, what's or what is she studying in this moment? For example, where is she studying? Who are you studying with? You see? But in this case, in this example, we have a yes, no question. So how do we answer to this? Is she studying at home? Yes, she is. That's it. It's not necessary to say, yes, she is studying at home. No. Yes, she is. Is she playing video games? No, right? No, she isn't. And that's it. Okay. Also, when we talk about activities happening at this moment of speaking, we have some keywords that help us notice that we have to use the present continuous tense. Remember that the present continuous tense is used for activities at the moment of speaking, so these words are going to show us that. Look at the keywords over here. So we have now, which is a synonym of the expression in this moment. We have other words, currently, nowadays. They are kind of synonyms. And they express that something is happening at the moment of speaking. But also we have these words. For example, look. No? Look. She's studying at home. When I say look as an imperative, it means that the action that I want you to look is happening now. The same as listen. Listen, the woman is singing. La 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 la, singing. Okay? So consider that when practicing and when using the present continuous tense. Now, I hope it's clear and we are going to practice. Okay, but first of all, before practicing, we are going to work together. Okay, I am going to help you. Let's do this together. So here we have a picture. So what's going on? What's happening in this picture? Okay. They, yes, they. Remember that we have to use the verb to be. In this case, which is the correct form of the verb to be when we use they. Are, right? They are what? They are breakfast. They are having breakfast now. I'll put it in red. Now, what is the negative? They, okay. The negative of aren't. Very good. Aren't having breakfast. Excellent. I'll highlight it. And the question. Yes, remember we have to place the verb to be at the beginning. Are they having breakfast? Excellent, very good. Now let's do the second one. What is she doing? Yes, she. And with she, we use Which verb to be? Are, am, or is? That's right. We use is. She is maybe looking, maybe reading. Let's put reading. She's reading a report. Okay. Maybe if you have a different idea, that's fine. But let's focus on the structure and the idea that that situation is happening in this moment. Okay, I will put it in red again so that you can notice the structure and the idea. Okay, now what is the negative of this question? She, the negative of is, isn't. Very good. She isn't reading a report. Okay. And the question, right? We place the verb to be at the beginning. Is she reading a report? I don't know why this appears with capital letters, but not. It's in lowercase. Great. Okay, so this is about the form, but we can modify something. For example, are they having breakfast? What is the answer? Yes, they are. Very good. Are they playing a sport? No, very good. They aren't. So for example, here we can modify, right? We can write they aren't playing maybe, I don't know, they aren't playing soccer. Okay. If you have other ideas, that's fine. Is she reading a report? Yes, she is. Is she talking to a friend? No, she isn't. So here we can also modify this. She isn't talking to a friend. So that is real, right? Very good. Now it's your time to practice alone. Okay, so let's practice. Well, you practice. I will help you then. Complete these sentences with the correct form of the verbs in brackets. Now we have the verbs in brackets. We have these verbs: use, wash, not rain, so it's a negative sentence. She chat, and it's a question. You do, and it's a question again. The verb sit, the verb have, and in this case we don't have any verb because you just have to answer with one word. Well, with a verb too, but it's not the main verb. Okay, let's check together. Number one, is you are using my mobile phone. Number 2, my dad is washing his car. Number 3, it is not raining today or it isn't raining today. Number 4, it's a question. Who is she chatting to now? Number 5, what are you doing at the moment? Number 6, we are sitting on the rain. Number 7, the students are having lunch in the canteen. And finally, are you making dinner? Yes, I am. Very good job. Let's keep practicing. Look at the pictures here. We have different people doing some activities. So the question is, what are they doing? Okay. Let's see what you have. So number 1, what's he doing? Yes, well, he is cleaning his house. Number 4, what's he doing? He's he's vacuuming the carpet. Number 5, what's he doing? He's cleaning. He's washing a glass, I think. Yes, she's washing a glass. Number 6, what's he doing? Yes, he's doing the laundry. Number 7, what's she doing? That's right, she's ironing the clothes. Maybe she's ironing a shirt. Number 8, what is she doing? Okay, she's feeding the baby. Number 9, what's he doing? Yes, he's feeding his cat. Number 10, what's she doing? Yes, it's true. She's walking the dog. Number 11, what's he doing? Right, he's watching TV. Number 12, what's she doing? She's listening to the radio. That's right. Number 13, what's he doing? Yes, he's listening to music and he's dancing, right? Great. Number 14, what's he doing? Cool, he's reading a book. Number 15, what are they doing? Yes, maybe they are playing some games. Number 16, what are they doing? Right, they are playing basketball. Number 17, what is he doing? Great, he's playing the guitar. Number 18, what's she doing? Cool, she's playing the piano. Number 19, what's he doing? He's doing homework. He's studying. He's writing a letter. Good options. And number 20, what's he doing? Okay, he's doing aerobics. He's also watching a video and he's doing exercise. That's right. Very good job, really. And now, to finish this part, let's discuss. Let's talk about the activities that we are doing in this moment according to the context that we are living now. So what's going on at work and what's going on at home? I would like you to think about that and discuss. For example, in my case, what's going on at work? Well, now I am working at home. I'm working on different projects with internet. And what's going on at home? Well, I'm spending more time with my family. I'm also enjoying more with them. I don't know. What about you? Can you give me more ideas? Okay, that would be your task. Great. So to sum up and to finish this lesson, what did we learn today? Yes, that's right. We learned to use the present continuous tense. But what is the purpose of the present continuous tense? Let's remember. Right. To talk about activities at the moment of speaking. Do you remember the structure? That's right, the verb to be in the present simple and the main verb, the principal verb, with the ending ing. Remember the verb to be? Am, is, or are. Excellent. Great. And what activities did we do in order to learn this topic? Okay, that's right. We described pictures, we analyzed sentences, we did exercises, and we discussed our current situation. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for your attention, and we are going to have more lessons. Bye-bye.